Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us a budget Bluetooth speaker from pTron, and it's the pTron Musicbot Lite, which is available to purchase for just Rs 399. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how it performs. So here is a box of the pTron Musicbot Lite, and in the front, we have the picture of the speaker along with the key features such as immersive sound and portable design. On the top we have some more features of the speaker such as you get 10-meter wireless range, 5-watt output, 40mm driver size, 6 hours of battery backup, and it comes with a 1200 mAh battery. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box we get the welcome card, and here we have the warranty information and the barcode by which you can get the user manual. And then we get the micro USB charging cable, and here we have the speaker. And guys, looking at the design and build quality, I can't believe that this speaker is for Rs 399. And here in this speaker, you get the fabric finish in the front, and the size of the speaker is also compact. So in terms of the overview, we have the pTron branding in the front with this beautiful looking fabric texture. You get the rubberized material on the side, and here on the top, we have the media control buttons, which includes volume and the pause and play button. At the back we have the ports, and here we have the USB, micro SD card slot, and then we have the micro USB charging port along with the power button. So in terms of the build quality and design, keeping in mind that it's a budget Bluetooth speaker, we get a very good build quality and it does look and feel good. And yes, you get this carrying strap on the side by which you can attach the speaker to your backpack. Now let's pair it with our phone and we will see how it performs. So the speaker is now paired with our phone. Now let me show you first the button controls. So we have the pause and play button, and you can go to the next song by pressing the plus button once and go to the previous song by pressing the minus button once. Long pressing the volume buttons will increase or decrease the volume. Now let's talk about the performance. So guys, as it's a 5-watt speaker and due to its price, we don't have much expectations from this Bluetooth speaker, but during our testing, we found the output decent. So I have played songs on it and the output is good. I can say it's definitely better than your phone speaker. The vocals are clear and you get little bass from the speaker. So the bass is not that much, but the overall output is decent. To be honest, this speaker is for casual music listening, or you can use it outdoors and attach it to your backpack, and because of its price, you don't have to worry much about it. One thing where I really like this speaker is for movies. So if you watch movies on your laptop or phone and want a bit more sound, then this speaker is perfect for it. You get good vocals and the dialogue clarity is also very good, and they are loud enough for videos and movies.
हम इसे वही फेंक दे जहाँ से ये आई है।
तुम कहना क्या चाहती हो?
वो ब्लैक डोर, ओमेगा की यूज करके ब्लैक डोर खोलकर उसे वही फेंक देंगे।
The battery backup is decent, and we were able to get 5 hours of battery backup in one single charge at 80% volume. So in short, if you're looking for a basic budget Bluetooth speaker for casual music listening, or if your laptop speaker is not good enough for movies, then this compact speaker from pTron will be very useful for you. And at Rs 399, we can't really expect much from it, but I'm really surprised with the build quality and the design of this speaker. So if you like this speaker and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the pTron Musicbot Lite Bluetooth speaker. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this speaker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.